Wait, is this really a toy? It just climbed that grassy slope like it's nothing. Today, I'm showing you a 112 scale RC pickup truck, and it's a 하루비우디 off-road model, so it's made for grass, dirt, and uneven ground. Here's why this one is actually fun. First, this HWD traction feels more stable. On rough surfaces, it keeps pushing forward instead of instantly spinning out. Second, it looks amazing on camera. Even simple moves, tight turns, quick reverses, small climbs feel like a mini real truck. Third, the pickup body design is just cool. It has that rugged off-road vibe even when it's standing still. And the best part, it's super easy to control. Forward, turn, reverse, anyone can pick it up and start driving in seconds. If you take it outside, the terrain basically creates the action shots for you. On the product page screenshot, it shows a 4.8 rating, 517 reviews, and 2,000 plus sold. That's a lot of people who tried it and left feedback. Quick tip, before you buy, check the options. There are different versions and colors, and the one shown here looks like MN82 red. If you want, I'll push it harder next time. Dirt track, steeper slopes, maybe some small rocks. Comment what test you want to see.